In video making, audio is another opportunity to tell your story well. When you're thinking about audio, it covers everything from words, sound effects, and music. Remember, words are fundamental to communication, and what you don't want is to have a video where people can barely hear what you're saying. When you're thinking about audio, think about pitch, speed, volume. Think about whether you're going to have any sound design, if you're going to have any background music. If you decide yes, what kind of emotional impact is that background music designed to have? If you're recording your video using a mobile device, the omnidirectional microphone on your mobile device won't be good enough for you to capture clear, direct audio. What you really want, at the very minimum, is a lavalier microphone, something like this, which is what I'm currently using. A lavalier microphone will come with a foam head that's designed to, it's like a windshield, and it'll reduce the amount of noise in the immediate vicinity, and it'll come with a little clip which is really handy for clipping on to your lapel of your top. When clipping this on, make sure that the head of the microphone is pointing away from you. You don't want the head to scrape against your top, because that will create, the sound that it creates will be picked up and it'll be very, very loud on your recording, and you don't want that. It's always better to have some kind of microphone than not to have one at all, and these lavalier microphones are available at a cost-effective price, so we really do recommend that you get one. Okay, so I'm going to record a mic check now. What you're listening to is my voice being captured by a dedicated lapel microphone plugged into my iPhone. You'll notice my voice is direct and clean. Now I'm going to unplug the dedicated microphone and hold my iPhone 50 centimeters away from me, which is typical selfie distance, and you'll notice a big difference in the quality of sound. You can still hear me, but my voice is less present and the sound is diffused. Remember, acoustic sound travels in the air and can bounce around and spread all over the place. This is why we always say it's better to have a mid-quality dedicated mic than not one at all.